how do you change the hidden photos password on the iPhone? Let me show you how it all works. If you are first time on Foxtecc, subscribe for more videos like this one. So you might notice that if you go to the photos and collections, you have the ability to hide pictures and use the code to hide the or like lock the hidden album. And the way that it works is that it adopts the very same passcode which you use to unlock your device. It also uses the same one for the hidden album. So if you want to change the code for unlocking the device as well as the hidden album, you just go to the settings, find Face ID and a passcode, authenticate yourself with the old one, and below you have the ability to change it. So, as I say, it's not just changing the code for the hidden photos album, but for the whole device altogether. So that's something which you should know about, and that's how you can change it. However, if you want to separate it and have a different code for photos and a different code for the device generally, this doesn't work this way, but there are different methods on how you can hide photos on your device and lock them in, with completely different code. Because you can, for example, tap on the settings, the notes app of your device and set up a new note, which gives you the ability to import photos into. So you can just add any pictures which you want to hide. You can put them into a note and then decide to lock it. Right, and you can lock the note either by the passcode, the same one for unlocking the device. But upon going to the settings and looking up notes, you also have the ability to decide that you want to use a different password, right? So you can see that you can use a custom password and not the device passcode. So the whole point is that instead of saving photos or hiding them in the hidden album within the gallery, you can import them into the Notes app where you would lock the actual note. And there, you can set up a completely custom password, which is going to be separate from anything else. And you have a completely different place for your hidden photos inside of the Notes app. And, it's completely hidden away. And yeah, it's pretty secure that way. So it's an alternative way on how you can approach this. So I hope I was able to guide you through it and show you how it could work. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.